Hello YouTube. Chachi is back again. In today's video is about how we can make a thumbnail to our YouTube videos, which is thumbnails are the one which attracts our users or viewers of the YouTube videos. So today's video is about thumbnails, and if you are new for this channel, please subscribe, share, and give me a comment about my videos. Thank you. So here I have a website which helps us to do freely a thumbnail to our videos. The website here is www.canva. Here it says canva.com. I'll put the link down on the video. Canva.com, which is canva.com, have a lot of features to users in order to make intro videos or thumbnails or variety of activities will be available on Canva. So on Canva here we have create design, here a create design button. So under the create design we will have lists of options, which is YouTube thumbnail, logos, videos, posters, presentation, Facebook covers. So many things are here available, and today's video is about YouTube thumbnail. I will cover the logos, the videos, and the others on my next video. So let's see how we can make. So create a design of what? YouTube thumbnail. So it open a new page here, and under the new page here we have the canvas to make our thumbnail. So here we have options of several things. For example, here templates of that I use, which is recently used template, music YouTube thumbnail if you are making full YouTube thumbnail, beauty, and several. Even if you are making a tutorial on YouTube, travel, all several options will be available under the templates. And even you can upload videos, which is from your page. You can upload videos from your page by clicking this upload an image or a video, which is you can click here and it will directly lead you to your computer. And you can add photos which are inside the Canva, which is available. Several kinds of pictures are here available, and elements of different cartoons, images, featured grids, shapes are available under the elements. In text here you can add text on your Canva, and videos here variety of videos are available, which is 15-second, 10-second videos based on your interest. You can search or you can type the title and it will display, which is a free and a professional. So you can use the free versions to make your videos, and a background to your canvas. So let's make the thumbnail, which is by selecting the background. So in order to attract users, I prefer to use a colored background, which is you can drag and drop on your canvas. So when you drag and drop on your canvas, it will appear on the canvas as you are seeing here. So after that you select things that you will include. For example, let's add some elements. Let's make a thumbnail for this video, which is how to make a thumbnail, which is how to create a thumbnail to your YouTube video. So the title is that. So let's make elements, which is I'm making this thumbnail for with using Canva. So I will add Canva over here for my users, which is Canva is making. And on what? On YouTube, which is I will add YouTube here on my canvas. Sorry, let me make it more easy here. Then after, let's add a text here, which is you select the text, and under text you can use different kinds of fonts or faces are available here. So let me select this one, and as always you can drag and drop here. You can drag and drop, and then it will appear here. Oh, here it comes. So let's change here the title into let's make it quick, which is quick shift some and easy, sorry, quick and easy custom thumbnail. Okay, after we wrote the title, we can fix here the font over here. You can make it like 100 is enough, 104, 104, and even you can change the color if you want here. You can make it black, blue, any color that you want, you can add on it. And after that we will make in order to move and make it more on the center. And here let me make one thing here, sorry, Z, and here I have another cell, which is, let me add the name of the channel, which is Chachi Tech. And on saying this, please share, subscribe, and like my channel. So after that, we finished our thumbnail, and if you want other things, you can add elements from here, photos, or even you can upload from your computer of several things to your thumbnail. And let's make this one to the center. Even if you want make it an alignment change, you can add whatever you want to the thumbnail. So after we finish this, which is quick and easy custom thumbnail chat, after all we did this activities on our canvas with Canva, then we will click the download button on the top right corner, and after we click the download, then it will lead us to this. And here we have PNG, JPG, even you can make a PDF, standard, anything that you want. So more PNG is high quality me, so PNG, I will select the PNG and I will click the download. So after that, it will design, or it will make ready your thumbnail. Yes, it's downloading. So it's the pretty easiest way to make a thumbnail to YouTube, your YouTube video. So here it downloaded, here it available. So let's click on it and open what did we done on Canva. So it's here opening our image to, yes, here we have the image, quick and easy custom thumbnail Chachi Tech with Canva and on YouTube. So if this video is helpful, or if you get important information, please subscribe my channel and give me comments on the comment box. Thank you. Chachi Tech is out.